Hello children, I'm back with your chapter 5, that is apply working with styles and objects. If you remember, till now we have worked with uh, what is a style, how to apply a style onto your text, how to create a new style, and how to change the style properties. And then we have understood how to insert a word art into your document. What is the use of word art and how to insert into your document. So today we will learn what is the text box and how to apply it onto your document. Let's do it. As you can see here, to insert a text box, select the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click the text box command in the text group. Select a Draw text box from the menu. A crosshair cursor will appear. Left click your mouse and while holding it down, drag your mouse until the text box is the desired size. As you can see here it in the figure, on the Insert tab there is an option called text box, and when you click on this there is an option called Draw text box. Click on it, and when you click on the word file, a plus crosshair cursor will appear. Crosshair means a plus kind of sign will appear. That from there you start left clicking with your mouse and keep it hold and drag until the text box is of the desired size, and then release your mouse button. Let's do it practically on MS Word. Now see, I clicked on Insert tab. There is a text box option. Speed is slow. This is called busy cursor. That round circle, that means it is opening. There is an option called Draw text box. Click. It is actually 2013 MS Word version, so it has come automatically in this way. But if you see it in 2007, let me show you in your book. Like this was a plus sign, crosshair symbol. It's not called plus, it is called plus sign. This one, the crosshair symbol. So when you click on this Draw text box option, it will come like this plus sign. You have to drag your mouse the size of how much size you want. Like I resized it this way, so you can also do in the same way. Draw and then type the text. It automatically adjusts and shift to the next line with respect to the box area. Let me show you how. If suppose your text is this much, and if you are writing style is a predefined formatting features. So as you can see, whenever I'm typing, I'm not pressing enter, it automatically shifts the text down when it comes to the border. So if I drag it like this, it will automatically shift the text as well. So this way you can create a text box in your Word file. So it will appear in this way. If you want to do formatting to your text box, there is called one more tab, Format tab. See, if I click outside, there is no Format tab. If you see my pointer, after View tab, there is no Format tab. But once I click inside the text box, the Format tab appears. This is to format the text box. You can change its fill. You can change the text style. like you have done it in the word art, same way. And then you can align it top, middle or bottom of the box, like middle. You can rest options are not of yours. This one, shape outline, like weight, you want the thick border of the text box. Shape outline is the tool name. If you click, you will get weight option. You can change its thickness like this. Shape effects, you want the border of like this. See, shape effects, reflection, you want this way, here it is coming. So shape fill, you want to fill the color into the shape. So that could be done from here also, that is one and the same thing, or you can do it from here. Okay. So once you have done all with these things, this is called text box. In this way you can create a box in your Word file and format it in this way. So there is one more thing. If you notice, these are the handles of the text boxes. If you see, it is coming on all four sides. If you do it from corners, it will drag it entire, from all four sides it will resize it. If you will do from the middle point, that will drag or resize it from either to the left side or to the right side or to the upper or to the to increase the height or to increase the width. Let me show you. See, once you here, if you can see here, these are the 9 handles over here, right? If you drag it, sorry, not 3 to 5 to 7 and 8 handles. If you see, if I take it from the corner, it is resizing it from all four sides. If I am doing it from the middle point, it is just increasing the width or increasing the height. From vertically horizontal line, say vertical, in height is increases, and from the vertical middle point, width is increasing. So this way you can do these settings. So this is called handles of the text box. These are named as handle of text box. You have to remember, to create a text box, you have to click on Insert tab, click the text box button, and then you have to choose the option Draw Text Box. And when you click on this option, this crosshair symbol will appear. When a crosshair symbol will appear, you have to hold your mouse on the working area and drag to your desired size. Then type the text. It automatically adjusts and shifts to the next line with respect to the box area. And these handles are known as text box handles. I think till now you all have understood it in a well. And the other thing we have learned, how to format the text box. Once you are inside the text box, then only the format tab appears. Otherwise, if you click outside, there is no format tab, as you cannot format the text box. To format it, you have to select the text box, then only it appears here. Okay. So what is our next slide? So our next topic is working with shapes. It is in the same way. You have to select the Insert tab, click the Shape command. When you click on this Shape command, these list will appear, this box will appear on your Word file. So whenever you want, whatever the shape you want, you have to do left click on that. Your cursor is now a cross shape, that is same crosshair shape symbol. Left click your mouse and hold and drag to your desired size and release the mouse button. these you have to follow the steps in the same way you followed for text box, but for text box you have chosen the option text box there, and here on the insert tab you have to choose shape command. So this is the only difference. As you can see, I went on insert tab. There is a shapes option. When I clicked on it, this box has come. So there are multiple shapes. Wherever you will click, suppose I want this shape here. I selected. Can you see my crosshair symbol now? It is in the plus shape. So hold your left mouse button and drag. See, when I am dragging it this much, it is coming in this much. When I am dragging it down, the size is increasing of the shape. So it is on your desire. How much bigger shape you want. So this way you release. Once it is released, if you see the color of the shape, you can change. Same way, if you click outside, there is no format tab, and again if you select the shape, the format tab appears. It has all those same options which you were having in the text box. As you can see, the same fill, right, shape, outline like this one, or you have the shape dashes. You want the dotted one, you want the dashed one. If you see, if I do the color, shape outline color, see, I have chosen a format tab. I have chosen the shape outline from dashes, dotted, or you can take simple line, or you can take any other. So from shape outline color you want to change. See, wherever I am selecting, it is changing, right? And same way you can do for the weight. How much thicker of the border, thickness of the border you want, right? This way. So you select. All those options could be done for text box also, right? Now word art styles, they are not coming into your this shape because we have not written anything in it. As you can see it in your book, working with shapes. See, we have gone to the insert tab. There is a shapes button. You will see this box here, and click the shapes button. Choose any shape, block, arrow, flowchart, callout, stars, banners. All these are these names. Black arrows, flowchart, right? All lines. So all these are the different categories. So any one you choose, like in your book, smiley face is chosen. The plus crosshair symbol appears. So you will find the format tab once you draw the shape, as I have shown you, right? So select any shape style from the displayed list and then drag it to your working area. Understand? Now the next is placing text in shapes. But before doing this, I want you practice it in your slides. How to create, how to resize, how to resize with handles, how to format the text box, so that you can practice. And until and unless you practice, you will never know the use of how to use it through mouse, because using mouse is a difficult thing for the children. How to make the grip of the mouse to draw the things. So once you practice in your computer and draw the text box, different shapes to you draw. In every shape you put different outline color, and different things you put into the text box. Write some paragraph, make it a word art style, fill the background, and shape you fill, that text box background you fill, shape you fill. There are too many things which I have taught you in these two topics. Once you practice all this, then only you will be reminding into your mind how to use. So once you did it with your hands 2-3 times, not once if you did, you will enjoy it, you will forget the next time. So once you do it with your hands, not twice, not thrice, as many times you can do, so that create some new nice banners, posters with your shapes to show something creative. So this way you will enjoy also and you will learn also. The enjoyment and the learning will go parallelly. So have a safe day. Thank you.